Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry.
Excuse me, sir. Could you turn off your phones and mobile devices? We're preparing for takeoff.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Also, please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay. I'll take the chicken, please. I'll take the chicken, please. I'll take the chicken, please.
Would you like the beef, the chicken, or the fish?
I'll take the chicken, please.
And can I get you something to drink?
What kind of drinks do you have?
We have coffee, tea, juice, Coke and beer.
Yes, I'll have a Coke, please.
Yes, sir. Here you are.
Thank you. Excuse me, may I go through? Excuse me, may I go through? Excuse me, may I go through? Excuse me, may I go through?
Sure.
Thanks. Excuse me, where is the lavatory?
This way.
Thanks. Could I get a blanket, please? 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 I'm a little cold.
Sure. Would you like to have one or two?
I think one will be enough.
All right. Anything else?
No, that'll be all. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be right back with your blanket.
How long will it take to reach Los Angeles? How long will it take to reach Los Angeles? How long will it take to reach Los Angeles? Excuse me, how long will it take to reach Los Angeles?
It's a long journey. We still have 6 hours before landing.
Will there be any snacks before we land?
Yes, another meal will be served in 3 hours, but I can get you a small snack now, if you like.
Yes, that would be great.
No problem. I'll be back in a moment with your snack.
Thank you. Do you sell tax-free goods on the flight? Do you sell tax-free goods on the flight? Do you sell tax-free goods on the flight? Do you sell tax-free goods on the flight?
Of course, you can see the catalog for our in-flight shop.
This one.
That's it. Would you like to order any duty-free goods?
Yes, please. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, all major credit cards are accepted, but purchases must not exceed $500.
Okay, I'd like this one, please.
Sure, thank you.
2, please. 2, please. 2, please.
Anyone needs declaration cards?
Yes, please.
How many declaration cards do you need?
2, please.
Here you go. Need a pen?
No, thanks.
Remember, it should be filled out using black ink.
Okay, thanks a lot.